Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly innovative gadget designed to spark creativity in young minds. The GREENKINDER Kids Instant Camera. This isn't just any digital camera, it's a fantastic blend of modern tech and classic fun, offering instant gratification that children absolutely adore. What makes this camera stand out immediately is its dual printing capability. While it captures vibrant color photos digitally, it simultaneously prints black and white versions right on the spot. Imagine the excitement of a child seeing their picture appear instantly. The kit itself is incredibly generous, ensuring the fun starts right away. It includes 3 rolls of printing paper to get started, a 32 GB memory card for all those digital memories, a convenient lanyard, a USB Type-C cable for charging and transfers, a sheet of cute stickers, and even a set of 5 colored pencils. This thoughtful inclusion of colored pencils is brilliant because it encourages kids to personalize their black and white prints, turning each photo into a unique piece of art and truly stimulating their imagination and creativity. It's perfectly suited for children aged 3 to 12 years, offering an engaging activity that goes beyond just snapping pictures. Parents will also appreciate the ample supply of refill paper. The camera comes with 3 rolls, but the brand also offers an additional 8 rolls of refill print paper, ensuring the creative flow never stops. Each roll is a standard size, measuring 2.16 inches by 0.98 inches, making replacements simple and readily available. Beyond its instant print magic, this GREENKINDER camera is packed with multiple functions that make it a versatile toy. It features a clear 2-inch large screen, which is great for framing shots and reviewing photos and videos. A standout feature is its 180-degree rotating camera, a dream come true for kids who love taking selfies or capturing different angles without awkwardly twisting the camera. It also boasts 1080p video recording, 10x digital zoom, cyclic recording, and other helpful settings like a self-timer and date setting. With capabilities for photo capture, video recording, playback, and even some built-in games, it truly offers a comprehensive entertainment package. The automatic exposure control ensures that pictures are well lit without any complicated adjustments, making it super user-friendly for little hands. The quality of the instant prints is also impressive. The refill paper uses a high-quality thermal coating, which results in clear and crisp black and white photos. These prints are designed to be durable and don't fade, meaning those precious childhood creations can be kept and cherished for a long time. As a gift, this digital instant printing camera is an absolute winner. The inclusion of cute cartoon stickers and the 5 colorful pens adds an extra layer of appeal, making it an exciting present right out of the box. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or any other special occasion, this camera is a fantastic choice for encouraging artistic expression and capturing memories for children aged 3 to 12. It's more than just a camera, it's a tool for discovery and self-expression.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.